Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and here let's find the apps. They should be on the third position. So let's tap on it and tap on all apps. Now we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Reset Up Preferences. And as you can see here, your device is informing you that it will reset all preferences, among others for disabled apps and default applications for apps or for actions and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps and basically this is it. This is how to reset up preferences in your Sony device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.